The OMNI Rainbow Expansion Pack is an amazing special effects kit from Lensbaby. It comes in a felt pouch, and there are no less than 14 brilliant effects packed in here for your OMNI creative filter system. 3 exciting new coated crystals, and a whole collection of colored films, like these amazing iridescent quilted ones. These all go on your existing photo lens. It's amazing to be able to hit the road and know that I have almost unlimited optical effects on board and ready to go. On this occasion, I am in Sedona, Arizona, so there couldn't be a better spot to try all this out. You'll get pops of color, blue, magenta, red. The specially coated clear films will give you these amazing rainbow effects. And the orange filters are especially prominent in this kit. The iridescent films are partly translucent. You can really get some interesting effects, especially shooting directly into the sun, as I did here while chatting away to my model Christina and testing these looks with her. The optical quality of these real glass crystals gets all the way to your camera sensor, and it looks sparkling and brilliant. It's hard to have a better time creatively than a day like this with the OMNI Rainbow Expansion Pack from Lensbaby. It can really put some color in your creativity.